So, Tykie, very, very dirty, as you can see. Tykie is in very much need of a clean. Look at the state of her. So, we're going to try this new Waterless wash and wax by BBC's TopGear. Let's see what it's like. We're going to do the wheels and we're just going to do the back just to see, because it is bloody cold out here. Yeah. So I'm just going to give it a bit of a spray over here. Let's see then, shall we? It smells good. Well, I'm going to do a little bit more than what I was expecting, because it does seem to be working. But we'll see what it's like when it's buffed off. It works. Yep. So now we have this. I know it's back to front, but this is what we're going to use now. We're going to try and do it on the wheels, because the wheels are stinking dirty. Absolutely stinking. Take a look. Let's see how this goes. So I've left this on for a couple of minutes. Oh, that's interesting. Look at the colour it's gone. Oh, they're really dirty. So this wheel cleaner, I have done a little bit, and I've come out again and resprayed and left it for a little bit longer just to see if I can get right into the dirt and grime. It is very potent stuff. It's not a nice smell on this one at all. Right, let's give it a clean and see. Not quite cutting it on these wheels, but they are absolutely stinking, and to be honest, they could do with emery cloth, wet and dry. Yeah. So to be fair, it was horrible on the front, so I've done the back because they are so much cleaner, not so dirty and grimy, so give it a better chance of seeing what it can do. So let's see. Complete difference. It's clean. So I went back to the front wheel, and I got the scourer and I put some more of that stuff on, and in all fairness, it was a bit of an unfair advantage. Look at the wheel now. That's like a million times better than what it was. Just needed a bit more scrubbing, and to be honest, it still does. But yeah, I'm quite happy with that. It works. So we're going to try the tyre shine now to see if that brings the wheels up. after all this, I'm going to have to do the other side. So, my final thoughts on the BBC TopGear products. Normally, I would use, and it's not very often to be fair that I do, but I tend to use Autoglym and Meguires. However, this stuff, as you can see, it's worked pretty damn well. Will I change over to that? Yeah, I think I would actually, for certain products. However, I do like Autoglym and Meguires. I think for the finishing touches, I would certainly use Meguires. But the Waterless wash and wax, it worked very well. Now, Tykie, in all honesty, we've been on so many trips and we've been so busy, I haven't had chance to give it a damn good clean for God knows how long. It's always been quick swill, off you go trip, because it's for adventures, and as you can see, it's got a bit of rust here and there, so it's never going to look mint. But if you have got a mint car, a classic that you want to look absolutely pristine, then I would certainly say, yeah, they're a good alternative. So yeah, I'm really happy with that. It's worked a lot better than I was expecting, most definitely. So guys, if you do want to get some of this TopGear products, I am going to put a link down in my description down below. So if you do want to get yourself some, hopefully I will find the better price from anywhere. So click the link and you can buy it directly from there. Apart from that, if you've enjoyed this video, because it wasn't going to be a video, it was just going to be, I was just going to try the products out, to be honest, because my wife bought me these for Christmas. Yeah, if you've liked the video, then give us a like and give us a subscribe down below, and you can follow us on our adventures, and of course other products that we will review over time. So thanks guys for watching, take care, and we'll see you soon. Bye bye now. Bye.